Charlie, look at mine.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Sharp here, and today we're going to be making some smoothies, and we're going to be using some knives and practicing the bridge technique. So we've got our extremely ripe bananas that are perfect to go in a smoothie, and we're going to try and open them. They're a little bit tricky when they're a bit old. Okay, so Olivia is holding the knife like this. She's got her fingers tucked under and a finger on top, so she's holding her knife safely. Her fingers are out of the way, and now she's making a bridge.
Can I cut
in a minute? She's making a bridge shape with her hand. Hold the banana properly so your bridge is nice and tall, and then the knife's going to go through the bridge, through the tunnel. Yeah, hold the banana though. Hold it, good girl. And now you're going to slice it down. So making a bridge, make sure fingers... No, keep the bridge there, darling. Okay, lovely. Through the bridge and cut it down. Well done, your fingers are out of the way. Charlie's turn. He's holding his knife, his fingers are tucked out of the way. He's made his bridge. Put the knife through and slice down. Good boy, your fingers are out of the way, and now move it away. Well done.
It's too small. I need to do it at the top, not there, because look, I don't have any room.
Okay, lift your fingers up a little bit then.
When can I switch and then a 2 for 1?
Well done.
Wow.
And then now you finish with your knife, pop it down so it's safe. You don't want to be waving that knife around. Well done. Perfect. Yep. Okay, keep that knife in the middle and push down. Good boy, give the knife a little wiggle. There we go, and then put the knife down so it's safe. Wonderful. So the reason why we use quite a sharp knife is because it's easy to cut the fruit. If we're using a blunter knife, then it's going to be trickier to cut through the fruit and more likely to cause an injury. So well done, Charlie. Well done. Lovely, you've cut them in half into 2 equal pieces. So we're not using any kind of recipe, we're just making it up as we go along. We've got bananas, melon and strawberries, and then we've added a little bit of cloudy apple juice into the blender just so it whizzes up a little bit. Turn it to number 1. Let's give it a little try. Delicious. Give it a go and let me know what flavour fruit you use. Have fun!